this is Jenny and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to feature Stylekorean box. Basically they sent me some goodies to actually review, so this is my first collaboration box with them and I'm really excited to have this partnership with them. So you don't guys have to worry that my reviews is going to be biased, so no. So basically they're sending me products so that I can give my honest review and give my opinions to you guys. So I'm really excited to have this partnership with Stylekorean. So Stylekorean, thank you for sending me all these goodies. So basically these are some of the products that I've personally selected, and there's one product that they wanted me to review. So these are products that I personally wanted to review for a while now. So guys, I wanted to share with you guys what are these products. So let's get started. So the first one is my all-time favorite brand, which is the Peri Pera Ink Velvet Mini Lipstick version. So I've seen this a lot in Instagram and I've been wanting to test it out because you guys know how much I love Peri Pera Ink Velvets. Actually all the lip tints really from Peri Pera, and I was thinking like I haven't tried any of their lipstick products, so I thought that I should test it out. And this is kind of like a matte lipstick, I think. And you guys know that I'm kind of slowly getting into the matte lipstick trend nowadays. So I wanted to test it out. That's why I picked this. And I'm excited to give you guys a swatch video review of this pretty soon. Hopefully very soon. But yes, this is one of the products that I got. The next one is also the newly launched Moonshot Micro Correct Fit Cushion. Seeing that Moonshot just launched this product pretty recently. So I was really wanting to test it out because you guys know how much I love the micro setting fit cushion. Like, it's one of the cushion that actually ended up in my 2018 favorites, so I was really excited to test it out. So I included this in this collaboration box as well. This product here is the Civic Fresh Herb Origin Cleansing Water. So I've been loving the Civic serum and the toner. So if you guys have been following me on Instagram, you guys know how much that product really changed how my skin is looking right now. I wanted to test it out because the cleansing water that I'm using right now is not really that good, so I'm using the Garnier cleansing water and it's really terrible. Like, guys, don't buy it. It's just not working for me. Like, it just removes like foundation and all that and dirt, but it doesn't remove eye makeup that well. Like, doesn't remove waterproof mascara and eyeliner, so I really hated that. So I even love the Innisfree cleansing water and the SEM cleansing water more. So I wanted to test this out because I really don't like the cleansing water that I have right now. I'm just trying to finish that through. But yes, I'm excited to test it out because I love the Civic brand so much. Another product here is a product that Stylekorean that wanted me to really review. So this is one of the things that they included in the box so that I could review it. So it's again from Civic, and this is the Glow Intensive Toner Bubble. So it's a toner but in a bubble form. So I haven't tested it out, but from what I've seen, it actually dispenses as a bubble, but then once you massage it or rub it on your skin, it kind of turns into a liquid or essence, I'm not sure, but it kind of becomes a toner for your skin. So I'm excited to test it out because it's very unique and I love Civic so much, really. It has given me a lot of good results, so I'm excited to share this with you guys. So this is one of the products that I'm excited to review as well. So this is the, I don't know what's the brand of this one. So it's the True Puka Cushion. I'm not sure from which brand this is, to be honest. I'm really bad, but it seems like it's from Puka Club. It says that it's from pukaclub.com, so I'm guessing that it's from that brand, but I know that Puka is the name of this character. Correct me if I'm wrong, I might be wrong, but I'm just trying to find the name of the brand, but it seems like it's Puka. But yes, it's the cushion case that I've been seeing a lot in Instagram, and I'm like, oh my god, it's so cute, but I didn't want to purchase it because I know that I'm just buying it for the packaging and the product may not be good. So I was kind of, okay, maybe I shouldn't try that out. But I'm so happy that Stylekorean included this in the box because I now have it. So it's so nice. It has that normal cushion puff, and ooh, it's not a cushion. It's actually, how do I explain it? It's you know that cushion where you have to pump it and there's a small dot here that will dispense the product. So I don't want to open it right now. Okay, maybe I should open it for you guys, but basically it has those small dots. Maybe I should. So it has those small dots that once you press it, it actually dispenses the product. I'm not sure whether this is a cushion or a sunscreen really. It is a sunscreen, oh my gosh. I thought it was a cushion this whole time. So basically this is a sunscreen and not a cushion, so I'm mistaken. So this whole time I thought that it was a cushion. But that's nice because I've never tried a sun cream in a cushion case. So this is really interesting, and looking at the case itself, it says that it's SPF 43 PA+++. So it's not the highest SPF level that you're usually getting in most, I don't know, like most sunscreen nowadays. But I think it's a decent one. Okay, so that's that one. And this one over here was also gifted to me by Stylekorean. Thank you guys. And this is the L'Oreal Big Pang Pang Dot Cushion. So I'm not sure whether you guys are familiar with this brand. To be honest, I've been seeing this brand, but I haven't really looked into it that much because it's a bit pricey, to be honest. It's one of those a bit high-end or medium-end type of product. It's not very affordable, so that's one of the reasons why I was kind of not really looking into it that much. So I'm happy that they've included this. So it's actually a big cushion. So if I would compare it, so it's a, I think there was a trend in Korea like end of last year where they've introduced like big cushion case where it's so nice. So it is big, really big. So I love the puff. It feels like, you know, those like loose powder puff like back in the days. But yes, it's a big cushion puff with those polka dot design, so I really love it. I'm not sure whether this is a cushion or a sun cream. Oh, this is a cushion because it says it's natural beige, so which means that it is a cushion. So this is the actual product. I'll open it for you guys. So it is that nice polka dotty cushion design. I think those dots are meant to be sun cream combined with the cushion. So I'll look into it more, but basically this is the one. I didn't want to peel it completely because I still want to keep it pristine, but basically that's the cushion, and this is again the L'Oreal Big Pang Pang Dot Cushion. And the last one, which is something that I've been wanting to have, is a headband, a hairband really. So this is the Omg Mega Hairband. So you guys have seen some of the videos that I've uploaded about, you know, me testing out some of the, I can't remember, like when I did my getting unready with me. So I had a hard time trying to connect the Velcro of my headband. It was so tight, like I think I have a big head. So I was saying like I need to get those, you know, rubber band headbands. And I'm so happy that Stylekorean gave me this one. It's so cute. Do I wear it now? I look ridiculous, so my hair is gonna mess up. So, but yes, I'm so excited that I have a headband now. So I can now take away all of my bangs or my fringe once I do my face masking. So basically that's all the product that they've sent me. It's not much, but for me it's a lot, really. I'm so happy and so excited, and my heart is just so overwhelmed, and I'm so happy that, you know, we're starting to have this partnership with Stylekorean. And guys, if you are interested with some products that you guys wanted me to review, let me know so that next time I'll have a look and see whether Stylekorean have it, and maybe I can add that into the next round of reviews that I'm going to do. So thank you guys again for sticking around, and I hope that you guys love this video. It's a very quick one, so I rarely do a short video, so I apologize guys. I know that I always do long videos. I try my best not to make it too long, but for some reason I just want to be very detailed, and I just want to I just keep on talking really, so I talk non-stop, so apologize guys. But yes, this is going to be a short video, and I hope that you guys love it. And if you guys do, please hit the like and hit subscribe. And if you guys want me to, you know, test out some products, just drop me a comment below, let me know. And if you guys are interested with this product, I'll put a link down below where you can actually purchase them. Hopefully I can upload some of the review of the product soon, and really hoping to do a skincare routine video very soon. But thank you guys again for sticking around, and I hope that you guys love this video. And if you do, just share this video as well with your friends and family who might be interested. So thank you guys again, and if you guys want to follow me on my Instagram handle is on the screen, and I will definitely speak to you guys very soon. Bye.